I've just parked my car somewhere here, and yeah, this is a parking lot, so it's not a bad place. Maybe just show you from the gate, because I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, I don't want to get out of the entrance. But that's a place. Yeah, it's such a nice place. Yeah, so this is a place where I'll be spending my night. And yeah, so this is Meru town. Yeah, but I don't want to go further this place. I just wanted to see from the main entrance. Yeah, so that's a place where I'm spending my night tonight. So from there, I'll be heading back in to 6 in order for you to see. Yeah. So that is it. So that's the place. As you can see, such a nice place. See how shaky the bed is, you know?